Fun Fact Friday. Did you know that Maria Montessori, a doctor of education in the 1900s, noticed something amazing? She realized that when children were given freedom to touch, explore, and play with hands-on materials, they focused longer, they learned faster, and they were happier doing it. Miss Kim is working on this whole phonics fun through music, song, and games so that your children can learn to love reading. So play is the work of the child. Play works the best. And they learn by doing, as you already probably know this, with their hands, their bodies, and their imagination. And I consider myself a child because that's how I learn too best, by doing and by messing around. So join me as I talk a little bit more about play and what to do after their child has learned the sound, but now they need to reinforce that sound into a worksheet or a game. November 15th, 1 p.m. at my Creative Literacy Community. I'll see you there. We're going to have fun and we're going to create and we're going to play. Join me.